So there's my door handle. This is my key fob. I've already taken the little master key out. All you have to do that is press in this little button right here, and it will release the key from that slot. And this is what it looks like. Now, in order to follow one of the videos I saw this morning, I came downstairs, popped that right off, and I did not find anywhere to put my key. So after fighting with this piece of metal for a few minutes, I took a picture of it and sent it to a friend. And then I thought perhaps I would find another way to do it. So I popped off that one, same thing. And I went around the other side of my car, and I come to my driver's side door, and I put the key in the little hole, pop it off, and there it is. So, stick your key in, turn it the right direction, of course. Open your door. Take your key fob, stick it in the ignition, voila! So that resets your key fob, and you might save yourself a whole lot of frustration, a towing fee, and quite a bit of money in order to get your car unlocked. Just be ready to use your key fob to stick it in the ignition to get the alarm to go off. Snap right back in place. Easy, easy. And I'm back in my car. Have fun.